We are about to do his front lip. Ooh, look at those birds up there. I wish I could zoom in. Yo, I love those birds up there. They're trained. They go back home. It's been like 2 years they're here. I don't know what they're called. Yep. So we're gonna go ahead and do his front lip, the Yoper's lip he's got. Yeah, he's got a catless downpipe. He's got a stock front pipe. Resonator delete. No, he's got a muffler delete. Yo, where you going? That's funny. You gotta come in my driveway. Yeah, it's loud. And the resonator, we put a vibrant resonator on there to remove the rasp and everything, so it's deep now. It used to be mad raspy before. Come on, man, keep going back. Oh God, you hear those shots? That's crazy. That's not him. Come on, keep going back. Come in, keep going. Hold on. Let's check it out the lip. Bro, did the wrong screw.
Stop lying.
I'm serious.
No,
I'm just joking.
I know you're joking because there's only 2 types of screws.
Now go with this one.
Yo, that should give me a heart attack. Oh my God. I was like, what? At first I thought you meant the wrong hole. So I was about to cry, bro.
Oh man.
Now you should start doing prank videos.
Yeah, now you gotta put that bad boy on. Look at that. Yeah. That is nice. I already did it on this side. Put it on a hill, so it's easy for us to do it. But yeah, it's a quick tip. I have like the 3M silicone in there. You know, it's like liquid. You push it inside of it. I like to make sure you put enough amount, and then you push it together, and you put some tape around it and leave it overnight. It'll be good then, so it doesn't fall off or anything like that. And then of course a couple screws are there, I think. Yeah, it fits into the stock, you know, that small thing, the clip. And then there's a screw right there. And then there's one screw right there. And this piece is going underneath now. So they should screw in right between. Right there, 2 already made. The center. Yeah, there's already screws for it, so just go into it. It's gonna look nice. Then it'll be complete. Alright, so we did this one right here. Make sure you guys, before you guys start screwing, make sure you have this gap closed. Alright? And it's tough. You might have to stretch one side, so yeah, that's the only part you might run issue into. You might run an issue into it, whatever. So make sure you put like a little bit gap here before you install it, and then install it over there in the center, and then pull it really hard towards that side, and then have someone screw it in. You should be good to go. But that's how that looks now. And same thing. See how we have that gap? You're gonna see that gap too. We had the same gap on the other side. So once we did the middle piece, so this should be good now. We're gonna pull in, and yeah, you're going over the limit on that one.
Which side's good?
No, that's good. You're good.
That's good?
It's high enough, bro. Yeah, the bigger jack is in the back if you want to grab it. This is good now. This is the hill will help you with it. It's good. So yeah, we'll show you guys in a few. See, if you leave this much space on the other side as well, you can simply pull it hard and then screw it in. You're good to go. We'll see how it looks afterwards. Yeah, we use 3M tape just to make sure the sides are the same gap. All right, it's done, guys. That was awesome. that's the best we could do. Goes in right there. That's how it looks.
There is a little gap, but they look the same on each side.
Yeah, it looks like a really tiny gap, but
Look,
same thing on each side, so it's perfect.
You can't really tell.
Before we had like this much gap on that side, so
Yeah.
that was worse. Now you can't really tell. Now it's good. Now it's like by a centimeter gap. That's it on each side. But yeah, guys, there you have it. It looks good. It's still on the hill, so it looks a bit, you know, very high. But I'll do a walk around of it in the next video. See what modifications he got on it so far. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I really appreciate the support. And yes, we are growing fast, and you know what? We should be. Because my channel pretty much shows everything on installation. Tail lights, you know, lighting inside, like of course the lip, the front, almost everything. If you want to take it to a shop, it will save a lot of money. So you could do it by watching my videos, and you'll have fun too. Alright, peace out.
Yeah.
We'll keep adding one more item, guys. I didn't expect that coming. It goes right on.
Yeah, I just trying to line it up. It goes
Yeah,
on.
it's
It's
the
not
hard
sticky.
I know.
There you go.
Did you use the
Adhesive promoter, yeah.
Yep. So push it in and hold it for like 20-30 seconds. So yeah, he's just adding one quick more item. And if you guys trying to heat it up, the 3M tape, make sure you use if you don't have a heat gun or something, get in your car, start it, put on the heat on high, and put it there for like 30 seconds, then come back on and install it. That should do the job. We'll see how it looks once you install the whole set. Should be nice. Nice. Last piece is done. That's how it looks. The old first lip, and then it's got this fog light, you know, still on top. Pretty dope. Looks good overall. Comment below, guys, what you guys think. Comment below. Alright, go ahead. That was 4,000 RPM? Alright. That's good. Alright, let's go. Nice. Let's go down the street.
I wish the car could handle no rubber. Should I pull?
Right? Yeah.
It pops too.
Yeah, put on sport mode, bro.
That's an equal.
Yeah, the resonator does work really good. Now go whatever, go right. It's fine. Go in sport mode and it should be better. Yeah, there's no drone inside.